Come on in and welcome to my kitchen. In my last video, we learned how to make ogbono soup. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make egg sauce. Growing up in a Catholic family, whereby we have to go to church before having our breakfast, you will not have your meals before you go to church. And when you get back home, you're typically tired and very famished. So this egg sauce used to be our go-to meal for the day as breakfast. My mom will make this recipe because it was fast to make, it was easy to make, and it was super delicious as well. I love this egg sauce because you can actually vary the amount of ingredient that you use in it. For instance, you can decide to add vegetable, you can decide to add fish, which I love to do as I grew up and got married. So in this video today, I'll just be showing you how to make the basic egg sauce, and then you can decide to add whatever it is that you choose to add and make it your own family go-to meal as well. So without speaking too much, let's head on to the work table and start making the meal. On the ingredient list, you have oil, egg, tomatoes, pepper, onion, Maggi, and salt. Slice and chop your onion like so. Repeat the same step with the garlic. Garlic is totally optional, but I love to use garlic in most of my cooking. Do the same for the pepper and the tomatoes as shown in this video. Because I'm using not so much tomato, pepper and onion, I used my hand to just chop them instead of using a food processor and having to deal with washing it afterwards. So if you have a larger group of people that you're making the egg sauce for, or you're making a larger amount of egg sauce, be free to use your food processor to roughly chop your ingredients. At the end of the chopping, this is what you have. Preheat your oil on your pan. Check to see if the oil is ready. The sizzling of your onion tells you that the oil is ready for use. Add in the chopped onion and garlic and fry under medium heat till soft, like 1 or 2 minutes. Add in your chopped tomatoes and pepper. Fry all this for like 5 to 10 minutes or until when you feel it's ready, but because I like it still a little bit tangy, I usually fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes. But again, the amount of tomato you're using will determine the amount of time you're going to be frying this for. So once the tomatoes start getting soft and it's easy for you to use your frying spoon to mash down like this, you know that it is getting ready. Or if that you had used your processor to roughly chop this ingredient, you could as well taste it and see if the tanginess is okay for you. If you still want it a little bit less tangy, cook some more. Add in your Maggi. Into a bowl, crack your egg. Like so. Whisk it until well combined. Pour it into your fried tomatoes. You see, I just lift it up gently so that the egg will go down, and then you allow it to cake up. Do this on the medium heat as well. Then lift it up and shake it. Lift up and shake it. Lift up and shake it until everything is caked into one uniform texture that you're looking for. Test to see if you'll be needing salt. If it's fine like this, you let it go. I add in a pinch of salt. Your egg is ready. Doesn't that look yummy? This is the basic egg sauce. From this, you can add in so many other things that you want to add and make it even more appetizing. Serve this alongside with bread, fried yam, potato fries. Even some people use it with rice. But I decided I was going to go with plantain today, so that's what I served it with. I hope you've learned one or two things in this video. To my new subscribers, welcome. To my oldie but goodie subscribers, thanks for stopping by. Until next time when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye-bye.